Dude, oh my God, they're so close.
Back up, back up, back up.
It's hard to get him on him. I don't want to scare him away.
Right there. Ooh, money shot.
It's on his legs though.
Yeah.
You just gotta do a nice like V thing.
Come
Come
on.
on. Get on there. Let me see him.
Just take him.
Dude, I'm gonna get in a little bit closer, dude. I'm gonna go really slow though.
Go this way,
Oh my God. Dude, just pour him on his stuff. There's so many. There's so.
It's like all of our food is on here.
Mitch, you cannot move now. There's so many chips and stuff on you. Stop breathing. Stop breathing.
The ones in the sand. That's not fair.
Oh, dude, they're getting brave. They're getting brave. Don't move. Don't move. Back up, back up.
There's so...
Go, 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 Mitch.
Yes! You got... Yes! Oh my God, you got him! I don't know. What do you? That was so worth it.
Let me get a picture of this.
Oh, let's get a picture. Oh, look at the thing with the wing.
It's trying to bite me.
Just keep feeding it. I don't think it wants food at this. Hold on, let me just.
Money shot.
Hey. Hold on, let me get a.